Promise. Noun. An oath or affirmation, a vow. If I make a promise, I always stick to it. He broke his promise. Promise. Noun. A transaction between two persons whereby the first person undertakes in the future to render some service or gift to the second person or devotes something valuable now and here to his use. Promise. Noun. Reason to expect improvement or success, potential. Promise. Verb. To commit to something or action, to make an oath, make a vow. Promise. Verb. To give grounds for expectation, especially of something good. The clouds promise rain. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.